So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to create a Xianyu account or IdleFish. So if you don't know how Xianyu look like, this is Xianyu app, guys. So I'm going to be teaching you how to create this. So the first thing you need to do is, let me cancel this. So the first thing you need to do is go to your Play Store or your Apple Store, guys. Just search for Xianyu. Let's do this. Let's do it, guys. So search for Xianyu. So this is you guys. So as you can see here says, let me show you something. So here says this app you are looking for is not your device because it was made for an older version of Android. So if your phone is saying this, worry less, guys, because there is a way you can do it, guys. So the thing you need to do is just close it, guys. Close it and go to Chrome. So yours might have it, and some people they might not have it, just like my phone here. So the next thing now you need to do is go to just search for, let me cancel this. So just search for Google, on Google search for Zenyu app. So as you can see this, so if you click on this section right here, if you click on this install button, you can see this is a Play Store app, guys. It won't install. So then what you need to do is click on this second link, guys, which is Taobao Zanyu, because what's it called? Alibaba is the parent company to Zanyu, 1688, Taobao, and a lot more, guys. So that's why you can see this Taobao Zanyu something, because Alibaba is their parent company for the app, guys. So when you click on this section right here, when you click on it, guys, so it will direct you to this link right here. So when you go to this link, what you just need to do is click on this app right here. So you will download it automatically. So that's how to download Zanyu app, guys. I hope I've made myself clear. So if you don't understand, just play the video in a lesser speed, so you will have to understand. So that's just it, guys. So when you have your Zanyu app on your phone like this, just like this, guys, so the next thing you need to do now is open the app. So let's do it, guys. You see, when you open the app, just click on this sign right here, this yellow sign. So this is like just like terms and condition agreement and all. So you can screenshot to to check what it says exactly, but I don't need to do that because I already know what it is. So click on the yellow sign like I showed you, and just wait a bit. Let's wait, guys. So voila, guys, this is Xianyu app. So this is how it look like. So you can see it also look like 1688, like Pindodo and the likes. So when you get here, no, let me not do this. Don't allow yet. So let me cancel this first. So you will get me. So when you get to this section right here, guys, so the next thing for you to do is click on this yellow button right here, guys. Click on this yellow button. So just click on it, guys. So when you click on it, it will bring out this pop-up message. So what this pop-up message means is you need to log in with your Alipay or your Taobao account, guys. So I will advise you to log in with your Alipay, because like Alipay is like the stronger one to create an account with Zanyu, because like Alipay is what you used to pay, so it is very much easier to to use your Alipay to create an account, because when you do that, you are bind your Alipay and your Taobao account together, and your Zanyu, sorry, and your Zanyu account together, guys, or IdleFish, but I call it Zanyu. So that is why I would advise people to use like Alipay to create an account. So before you click on this, the next thing you need to do is check this box, guys. So let me check this box. So as you can see now, it's turned to yellow. I mean, this place turned to yellow, guys. So after you check this box, the next thing is now click on this section right here, guys, which means you want to link your Alipay to your Taobao account. So let me click on it. So I've clicked on it, guys. You know what's wrong? Okay. It's redirecting me, so you can see, guys, it redirects me to my Alipay. So what this means is that like Zanyu wants to link my Alipay with my Alipay with Zanyu. That's just what is about to happen, guys. So let's wait a bit, guys. I don't know what's wrong. I think my phone is hanging. Let me go back. Let me go back, guys. Let me click on the Alipay. So that's just how it works. It's not rocket science. You just need to like be calm when you are doing these things. So, and I would say that Guanyu is very, very okay, guys, because on Zhuanyu, guys, if you don't know what Zhuanyu is, so Zhuanyu will let you like buy stuff for cheap. As you can see here, just click on agree. Just click on agree. You see authorization successful, which means my Zhuanyu and my Alipay is been linked successfully, guys. So that's how it works. So if it is already binded, so that's what I want to check now. So let's click on this section right here, this section. So let's look at it, guys, but I'm not sure it is binded already. But to confirm, as you can see, it's not binded already. So let's go through that process again. Click on Alipay, guys. Probably because my phone hanged. So let's do it again, guys. So click on Alipay. So let's wait a minute. Let's wait a minute. I don't know why it's not like connecting well. Probably my network is bad. This is known. I don't know what's wrong. Okay. My phone don't hang. I use Samsung, but I don't know what's wrong. I don't know what's wrong all of a sudden. My phone is hanging. So as you can see, Alipay authorization is loading. Let's wait a bit. Okay, click on agree. Authorization successful. Okay, okay. I think it's successful now. Yep, I think it's successful. So that's it, guys. I already have an account. So let me go back. As you can see, guys, I already have an account. Wait, what's wrong? Let me click here first. I think let me just close the app first. Let me close the app and let me open it again. Let me open it again. So if you're having this type of issue, just go through that same process I did exactly, and your accounts will be successful. Just click here. Wait. Okay. You see, click the yellow and this Alipay. I don't know what's wrong with it, but I think the account is created already. But let's wait. Let's wait. I just want to confirm so that you can see, guys. So all this kind of issue might warrant. So because like all these Chinese app, if you don't know, like they have a lot of customer. If you don't know, guys, China has over 1 billion population. So there are a lot of people using the app. So sometimes when creating an account or something, you might face this type of issue. Like it don't always happen, but sometimes it do happen. So what you just need to do is just keep doing it, and then it will go through one time. You can see connection is busy. Please wait and try again later. So that's just how it works, guys. So I think mine is created already, but let me just pause and just give it like probably a minute or two. Then I'll check again. Then you can see authorization successful. Then I'll check again, guys. So it's not something that is complicated. Okay, I think it's done now. I think it's done. See, go fish. It's asking for my passport. I think it's asking for my passport or what. You don't really need your passport at first. You only need your passport to verify your Alipay, guys. So that when you want to pay and everything. But to open Zayu, you don't need passport. So I don't know why it's bringing passport or something. So let's wait a bit. It's still loading. Okay, as you can see, my account is created already. So my account is created already. Let's wait for a bit. It's loading. Okay, so I think they want to send me an SMS, but I don't think I still have this number. Let me just screenshot and check to confirm what it says exactly. So if you don't like understand what they say, just have a what's it called? Have a Google Translate, guys. So this is the Google Translate I use. So this is the Google Translate I use, guys. So you can also have yours, guys. Just click on it. So search image. If you click on search image, so let's wait. As you can see, just click on this translate right here. But I think you want to send an SMS, as you can see here. So it's telling me to get a verification code. Okay, no problem. Okay, so now the next thing for you to do is click on this option right here, guys. So click on it first. So when you click on it, you click. Okay, as you can see here, there's a countdown, 54 something, 55. So there's a countdown. So I'm waiting for SMS message now. But I don't think this is the same on my phone, guys. But let me wait a bit if the same is still on my phone. But I'm not sure. Let me check to confirm. Okay, that's not the same on my phone. So that's not the same on my phone, guys. So I will try to find that sim. So I will just input it, guys. So what am I seeing? I'll just try to find the sim and input it, guys. So when you input it, just click on this yellow section, and that's all. And that's all, guys. Just click here, guys, and that's all. So that's not the same on my phone right now, but that's just how to create an account, guys. So if you have any question, just put it in the comment section, guys. I'll probably check my other phone because I have Xianyu on my other phone, guys. So I will check it there. So like I said, if you have any question or you're having any difficulties, guys, just go through this process I go through, guys, and then you will have your account set and ready. So thank you for watching and see you next time.